Face it. Whatever it is, face it. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations. In today's video, it is an easy, simple eyeshadow look. In today's video, I am using the Berries by Juvia's Place. It's a 6-pan eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the hot pink in there. My eyes have already been based. I'm going to do a simple pink color eyeshadow look for my beginners and for my community who loves a one-color eyeshadow look. If you're new to makeup, you want to start with the one-color eyeshadow look because it's simple and it is easy. And for the ones that just love a one-color eyeshadow look, because again, it's very, very easy to achieve, it is always the best way to go. How are you doing today? As I'm asking that question, I want you to search yourself. Check in on yourself. How are you doing? How is everything going? How is your mindset? How is your heart feeling? What mood are you in right now? Check yourself. Check yourself. It is okay to do that. Find out where you are and what you are doing and how you're responding to what you are doing. I have hooded eyes. Some days I'm puffy, some days I'm not puffy, but I have lots of skin. Today so far, it looked like there is something going on because I don't see a lot of skin and I don't see a lot of puffiness. I don't know, but you know what? We're rocking with a one-color eyeshadow. So I always put a lot on because my eyes are hooded, number one. And number two, I have oily skin. So if I just put a little bit of eyeshadow, before I finish this video with you, it will be all gone. So I put a lot and I just take the brush with nothing on it and just work it up towards my brow bone because again, I have a lot of space. So I want to utilize it. If you notice, I've walked this one up, not this one. You see where this one stopped? I've not walked it up. So I'm just going to take the same brush, nothing on it, and I'm just going to walk the eyeshadow up towards the brow bone, just so it looks flawless. But this is what a one-color eyeshadow look does. You just make it as easy and simple. You either go up to the brow bone or you just stay right in the crease, or you just put a little bit on the lids and you're done. You can do it those 3 ways. My lipstick combo is these 2 lip liners. This one is on the outer part and this one is on the inner part. I use this pink on my eyes. Before we end this video, I want to read from the Complete Pocket Positives. Today's encouraging, inspirational, I am uplifting word message is, it says, facing it, always facing it. That's the way to get through. Face it. This is so interesting. And this makes so much sense. In order for us to get through anything, anything, we have to face it. And when we don't face it, it never goes away because we have to address it. So this is facing it, always facing it. That is the way to get through. Face it. That was said by Joseph Conrad, a Polish-born British writer. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. There is a lot going on out there. Please be safe. Safeguard yourself. Find your community. Have someone to talk to. You are not alone in this situation or in this crazy madness going on. Do not give up on yourself. Remember to pray always. You are a warrior and not a warrior. The things you cannot handle, give it to your God. I appreciate you kindly. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for hyping my videos. And most of all, thank you for watching my videos all the way to the end. I appreciate it very much, and I appreciate you. Until I see you and you see me, face it. Whatever it is, face it. That is the only way you will get through it. Bye.